Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We are going to do this next training. This is our training number 5. This is a traffic pattern that we're doing here. So we're going to take off, go around, follow this around, and then come back down for a landing. Lesson number 5, guys. So we're getting there. Alright, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's go ahead and get started, see what they say.
Let's be honest, no one likes going around in circles. Unless you're a pilot training on traffic patterns. Stone's
Oops.
standard traffic pattern follows a 1,000-foot altitude around the main runway. By the time we're through here, you'll know how to complete the full run from takeoff to landing. So let's get started.
Alright, so we're taking off. Cool. Oops, hold on a sec. Testing. Alright, cool. Here we go. 60, rotate. There we go. We're up. We're in the Cessna. Oh, I think this was a 172M.
Keep us aligned with the runway and climb to
Oops.
400 feet.
400 feet.
We're going for a left-hand traffic pattern.
Oh, there it is. We're just following that. Left-hand traffic pattern. Alright, so we're climbing up to our traffic pattern here, and we're going to just basically circle around the runway, which is right there behind us. So let's see, where's our...
Once we reach altitude, you're going to start turning left 90 degrees toward a 122
Where
degree
is it?
heading.
Left. What the heck? We gotta hit this mark here.
Okay, we're in the pattern. Get
Okay,
ready to
cool.
enter the crosswind section.
Crosswind
Keep
section.
going till you reach the traffic pattern altitude of 5,700 feet.
57?
Ready to make your left turn downwind? When
Yes.
the runway appears at the halfway point of your wing strut, you'll know you're at a good flight distance.
Okay, guys, we're there it is. Okay. Whoops, there we go. 5,400. We're a little bit above that, but we're going ahead. There's the runway there, and we're making a left traffic pattern because this game didn't do it correctly. We well, maybe it's me, I don't know, but basically we just did a circle for no reason. We're only supposed to go up, left, 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 back down for a left
So the wind
traffic
back
pattern.
down. We're on the right track.
There's the runway down there,
Lower your
so
nose
I'll level
to
it out.
reduce attitude and reduce power to 2,100 RPM.
2,100.
Once your speed is in the white arc, add 10 degrees of flaps to prep us for landing. Now's not a bad time to check if the runway is looking good.
Okay, let's
And
check.
it probably goes without saying, always watch out
Looks
for
good.
other planes entering or exiting the pattern.
There's the runway there, so we're gonna go ahead.
We're gonna
Got the
fly
flaps
past the end of the
down.
runway here. Keep going until you see it at a 45-degree angle behind you.
Still there.
That's your cue to turn left again onto the base leg.
This is base turn. When we get over here, we're parallel. We want to be to the back of us, and then we can turn for the base leg. Whatever that means. We're gonna fly out there another half mile or so. Alright guys, we're doing it. Lesson number 6, I believe. Yeah. Lesson 5 was easy, huh guys? I mean, I was a short video. It looks like this maybe too, depending on if I nail this landing. Let's go. Guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, subscribing. Going to the airport in a little bit and going to do some plane spotting and post some short videos, so stay tuned for that. We do live.
Reduce power to idle to start losing altitude and maintain cruise attitude.
Um, we do
Watch the
live.
runway as we get ready for our final turn.
Okay,
Let's
final
hope we
turn.
keep our speed around 65 knots.
Okay, 65 knots. Keeping this eye on that. Um, we're doing live streams every night or almost every night. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but for the most part it does. So keep an eye out for that. Where is the? Oh, oops. Okay, so actually turn the power up a little bit.
There we go. The runway's in full view. Make sure
There
to
we go.
keep the plane centered on approach. If you're too high, add flaps. Too low, add power to maintain the glide path.
Okay, there's the runway there. We're just gonna turn onto it. Oops. There we go. There we go. There we go. So yeah, live streams every night. This ain't bad so far. Here we go. Nice and gentle. There we go. And we're down. Not too bad. All right.
For landing. Now just apply the brakes to slow your roll. And make sure you don't stop on the runway, of course. If other
Okay.
planes are looking to land, we've got to move. Take one of the taxiways on the right.
Okay. And we're taxiing to the right here. Very nice.
Good job. As an old instructor said to me, not only did you not die, you're really learning to fly.
Okay. What kind of instructor did you have? Thank you. All right, guys, that's it. We did it. We took off. We did a flying pattern up, around, down, and landed on runway 21. So there you go. There you have it. Lesson number 6 completed and done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Dustin Vendiga, God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next flight. Peace.